Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Citroen relay. This is the transmission right there. This is the drain plug right there, and the fuel plug is located right there next to the long CV axle. First we start by removing the drain plug and draining the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the oil has been drained, I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next I'm going to fill the transmission with oil, but before filling it with oil, first I'm going to show you in the service manual. The manual transmission oil grade is 75W90, classification is GL5, and the capacity is 2.8 liters. Next I'm going to remove the fuel plug and start filling the transmission with oil. To fill the transmission with oil, this is the pump that I'm going to use. I'm going to put one end into the filler hole and the other end the pump into the bottle. And now I'm going to start filling about 2.8 liters of oil into the transmission. Once the oil into the transmission is at maximum level, the oil should start dripping from this hole. Here you can see it started dripping, so I'm going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it. And that's how you replace the manual transmission oil on this van. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.